Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight it's Friday. I know the last video done it was Friday as well. I did come down on Monday, but I ended up leaving early because I wasn't feeling great. I was really tired and I was just all round grumpy, so I ended up leaving early and I didn't really bother with any footage because all I done was sat there and cleaned. What did I clean? Oh, gears. That was what I done, gears. So yeah, I'm just got down here. I'm running late as per. It's 5:30. Everyone else got here at 5, but I decided to have a bath. So I just got distracted by the time. So yeah, tonight hopefully going to do a rebuild on the engine. We will see. Someone's car sounds awful. Don't know who that is. But anyway, if you like these videos, give it a like and I will see you in a moment. Let's go. First job. Chocolate. One. I'm the only one that eats these, so that is mine. Strawberry. Hello. Working on the car. Pardon? I've not got work. You're cleaning?
Just making sure.
Hank, David.
You right?
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
Hello.
Right. Apart from his neck.
What have you done?
You done it on Monday.
I wish I'd have taken up your offer when you said, can I do it under the dash?
Oh.
No.
Look
No,
at
it's
my
not actually
clean
been run since it was
gearbox.
done.
Linked.
Sorry?
Is this all clean now?
Is it what?
All clean?
Well, you cleaned it.
Oh yeah, I did clean it, didn't I? I do apologise. Monday I was a state.
First clean.
For first clean.
No, that's what I mean. It's
again.
first clean, yeah. Woohoo! Gears.
So we could put
Bearings.
the crank in and
Did my crank survive?
yeah, your crank's good.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Just fell off.
No, it's
Oh,
Get back in the car.
is that my LSD?
Yes.
Okay. I'm learning. This is my wear tonight. Do you like my?
Oh, right.
Do you like my fluffy socks? Oh, we're pushing cars out. You got it the right way. Yep. What's them? Okay. Washing time. So we're back where we started. It's 20 to 9 and I'm off home because I need dinner and I'm tired. The last half an hour was a killer. Ooh, sorry. Anyways, engine block has got obviously the block, the pistons, the crank, the cam followers. What else have we got? Some little bits. Don't know what they are, to be honest. But I'm not down now till probably next Friday because I'm working. I need to double check my schedule actually if I am actually down or not. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't know what footage I really got because I just sort of left the GoPro going and tried to film what I can on my phone because obviously camera takes up a bit of space. Oily hands, I don't want to get it oily because it's not mine. Thanks Auntie Steph. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If there's anything you want to see in particular when we're working on the cars, drop it in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with more videos soon, so I'll see you guys soon. Night guys, bye.